I love this soup because it's so clean. You have the nuttiness of the lentil, which is just amazing. First thing we're gonna do is boil our lentils. We're going to let these boil for about 20 minutes. But first I'm gonna add some salt. I'm heating a skillet with a little bit of oil so we can saute our vegetables for our lentil soup. First thing we're going to cook is our onion. I have half an onion that I diced in here. I diced it smallish. I don't like biting into big pieces of onion when I'm eating soup. All right, we're gonna cook this just for a few minutes until it starts getting translucent. And I'm going to add 4 garlic cloves, which I minced, and a jalapeño, which I finely diced. The jalapeño, guys, is seeded, membrane out, absolutely optional if you don't want the heat. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil here in the middle, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of cumin. We want to cook this for, a minute. We don't want to go overboard with the cumin. We want to have that flavor in there, but we don't want it to be the predominant flavor, okay? I'm going to add half of a green bell pepper. This I diced bigger so we can see it in the soup. I have a couple of carrots which I peeled and sliced. They were on the smaller side. A medium potato which I diced. And I have about a cup of chopped tomatoes, which is gonna let these saute for a couple minutes and then add them to our lentils. I want you to skim the foam that is on top of your lentils here. Been simmering for about 20 minutes. They still are not cooked through, and that's good. We're gonna finish them with the vegetables. I'm going to add the vegetables that we sauteed into the pot. I'm going to add some thyme sprigs, some oregano, black pepper. I am going to taste this for salt, and it needs salt. All right, we're just gonna let this simmer for another 15 minutes, maybe 20, until the potato and the carrot are soft, and that's it. Our soup is ready. I'm just gonna sprinkle some chopped parsley on top to serve. So now let's eat.